Do you like village or city life? That's an interesting topic. You can comment on what you want, and now we'll discuss this further. Let's start.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. So I was thinking about the differences between village life and city life. What do you think about it?
Oh, that's an interesting topic. Personally, I lean toward village life. It tends to be more peaceful, and the natural surroundings really appeal to me. What about you?
Well, I have lived in both a village and a city, and I think both have their pros and cons.
Sorry, what does pros and cons mean?
It's mean, advantages, and disadvantages.
Now, let's continue the conversation.
For example, in the village, people are more friendly and helpful, but the facilities are not as advanced as in the city.
Yeah, I agree with you. In the city, there are more opportunities for education, employment, and entertainment, but it's also more crowded and polluted.
Absolutely. I think it depends on the individual's priorities and lifestyle. For example, if someone wants to have a quiet and simple life, the village is a better option. But if someone wants to have a fast-paced and dynamic life, the city is a better option.
That's a good point. Also, in the village, people have closer relationships with their neighbors, and they tend to support each other in times of need. But in the city, people are more independent, and they rely on themselves more.
Yes, that's true. But on the other hand, in the city, there is more diversity and exposure to different cultures, which can broaden one's perspective.
That's a good point. But in the countryside, I can enjoy nature and fresh air. I can go for long walks and see beautiful landscapes.
Nature is nice, but sometimes I miss the convenience of the city. In the city, I can find everything I need close by. I can easily get food, clothes, and other things without traveling far.
That's true. In the countryside, you might have to drive a long way to find a grocery store or restaurant. But I think the slower pace of life is worth it.